lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this very easy, delicious chicken recipe. It's so simple to make. You can serve it as a side on your jollof rice or on your spaghetti. So after washing my chicken, I mixed all the spices in a little bit of oil, curry, thyme, ginger, garlic. You can use any spice you like. Then make sure you rub it in on the chicken very well. This was the night before, so I had this in the fridge till the next morning. I just brought the chicken out from the fridge right now and let's see what it looks like. Wow, this looks so good, so good. Now you can leave your chicken to marinate overnight. You can leave it for a few hours. It all depends on how much time you have and the taste you're going for. So right now I'm going to just put in some Irish potatoes and carrots and some onions. You can add any veggies you like. Are you enjoying this video so far? Please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to try this recipe. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? That's a good way to encourage me to keep pushing out videos. So if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified immediately I post a new video. Thank you. Our chicken is ready. So yummy. So delicious. You can use this oil from the chicken to make jollof rice, spaghetti, fried rice, anything you like.